Okay, I have another piece that I want to do. Oh, there's a little red dot on there. Don't know what that is. Here. Okay, it's gone. I'm going to resin this little piece. As you can see, this is a wood, cradled wood panel. This is tape. I painted the background. This is just acrylic paint. Then I put on these like stones that I made from pores and swipes. I did a little bit of sort of try to make it a little 3D looking because I think that's pretty. We'll see later how that works out. I do think I'm going to be doing 2 layers of resin over it because well, just because I think it has to have that. I'm not sure. I didn't clean these. I did do a layer of a spray varnish on it. So I'm sort of wondering if that's going to do the trick. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I am going to add a little bling because of my blingy sort of character. I want to sort of bling up those little stones with a little bit of glitter. And you know, when you're going to an art store and you see some cheap glitter, I think you should just take it with you. You never know what happens. That's why I have a whole basket full of that stuff. And it's cheap, and it's there's some more expensive glitters in there, but you know, if you have all sorts of colors when you're going to use it, it's always fun to have the matching colors that you really want. If you only have like, I don't know, 5 or 6 glitters, that's just not enough. So I'll give it a little. I think I might even be able to do this in one go. We'll see. There you go, nice and smooth. Still have to torch it. Okay, this is how I want to have it hanging on the wall. Gotta get rid of these little bubbles. Smooth it out a little bit. Okay. Ooh, what's that? That's coming from under the glued on little pieces. So you have to be really careful with that. Because when you're thinking that you be able to do this in one go and you get those bubbles released from underneath that's not a good thing. It's really early in the morning, guys. It really is. It's really early. I don't think I've been in the studio this early ever. What time is it? It's 10:15. Well, that's okay. Okay. Now for the blingy. Oh no, I think I'll just work it a little bit more. Ooh, I do see it pulling from the sides. There you go. I might need a little bit more here too. I'd like it to just, you know, just have a little dome on the sides. I like that. A little bit of doming, if you know what I mean. That's looking okay. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, now it's doming on that side, but not on this side. Okay. Can't put too much on because once it goes over the side, there's no doming. When it goes, it goes. And then you can't do anything anymore. You'll just have to do another layer. Okay, this is what I got. Look at that. Does that match? Yes, it does. And I got this really nice holographic type of blue. Oops, that's not good. My cork is sort of deteriorating. Don't want that happening. Okay, we're gonna put in a really little bitty, not too much. This is like tiny, tiny. Oops, that was a little bit more than I wanted, but we'll see what happens. So they're starting to look like little fairy stones. Magic stones. I like that. Okay, now for the blue, I'm going to put that on my glove and hope that I can sprinkle it on a little bit. No, that's not working because my gloves are a little sticky from the resin. Let's not do that. We'll stop there. That's too much. And I thought that would happen. That's why I have a little toothpick. There you go. That's looking better. This one too. Got to move that a little bit. Yeah, that's looking better. I'm going to move that up a little. And this one. Don't want too much of that glitter in the background, but we can move that. No problem whatsoever. There you go. That's looking better. Okay. I'm looking over it. You have to go back and forth to see where, if there's any dents in it, because you don't want dents. Dents are ugly. Here I'm not getting, oh, look what I'm doing with that, with all the glitter on my glove. That's not good. Oh guys, I'm making a mess of it. Don't want that glitter there. That has to come off. There you go, come off. Yeah, see, now it's on here. That's okay. We fixed it. We still have a little bit there that needs to dome up a little bit. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, this is turning to be a little bit longer than I expected, guys, but I can't help it because it's pulling back a little bit. And when that happens, that means you're going to have to do another layer. I don't want to do another layer because I got so much of this resin already. Way too much. Okay. That's looking okay. I gotta get some other gloves. Okay, new gloves. Oops. One more time. This helped when I did this with the round one, so I'm hoping that, yeah, that's looking better. I think you just have to keep on rubbing it. That's okay. That's looking really tight. I like that. Up here too. Okay. Oh no, I got two little ones there. See, this is where the bubbles are popping up because of the how I pasted it. Come on, don't give up on me. And I really don't like that's happening. There's a little dent that I want to fix. That's how we fix the little dents. Okay. I still see a little dent right there. What's causing that? Let me see. Oh, I think it might be one of those things just not flat enough that it's touching the, yeah, it's touching the surface. I see it now. But that's okay. I can live with that. Ah, no, I'm pushing it down. Ooh, there comes a little air bubble. Gotta watch out for that. Maybe that was it, the air bubble. Yeah, it's nice and flat now. There's another one though. Yeah, see that? See that? The air is popping out. Ooh, we gotta watch out for that. Yeah, the air came out. Gotta get rid of it. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop because I have to make sure that you can't see it, but there's air coming out from underneath one of those stones, so I'll work on that offline. But this is it. See the nice dome all around the edge? See that? That's pretty. Love you to pieces. See you in a bit. Bye bye.